Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Al's Vintage Toy Trains, and today I wanted to talk about Lionel's 746 J-Class Norfolk and Western, and these were cataloged by Lionel from 57 to 1959. It was again sold as a separate sale item in 1960. I couldn't find it in the regular catalog, but maybe it was in the advanced catalog that comes out prior to the consumer catalog, and so this had a 4-year run, 57, 58, 59, and 1960. And actually did repairs to this one for a friend, so it wasn't really running well. Missing a brush spring. Brushes were worn out. Well used, but it did clean up well. Was able to get the parts that I needed. Same thing for the tender, rewiring the tender. It needed new pickup rollers, and was able to get those replaced. The Super O track really does a number to the pickup rollers, leaving a nice groove in the center of those rollers. But what I need to do is figure out which set that he actually has. That'll tell me what year the set was cataloged anyway. So I just need to find out what are the other cars that came with his set that he has. So this is the long stripe version, so this is the much harder variation to find as far as the tender. And let's take a look at the side. You'll see that the stripe goes almost full length of the tender, and you'll notice there's no number on that little number board that's below the stripe. Now I own the short stripe version, and this is what the short stripe looks like. So it will have the 746W on it, and you'll notice that the stripe is almost an inch short on the front and the back. It's a really beautiful engine. This is Lionel's last of their premier engines that they made in the post-war era. Most of the internals are taken from the Berkshire, but the new shell, the bullet nose, it's just a beautiful engine. So again, cataloged by Lionel in 1957, 58, and 59. Could not find it in the 60 catalog, although Greenberg says it was produced through 1960, and maybe it was in that advanced catalog. All right, let's go ahead and look at the catalog real quick. And here's the 57 catalog. Nice, beautiful 2-page spread for this set. 2 sets, actually. And it didn't actually give a price for the sets here in 1957, but it did mention that the engine sold separately for $49.95, which was the same price, I believe, as the 736 Berkshire of the time. And 1957 is also the year that Lionel switched to Super O track, much more realistic looking track. And there's the 1957 sets with the addition of the accessories. Let's go ahead and look at the next year. This is the 58 catalog, again shown as 2 different sets, 2-page spread. And what's really unique on this one is you got the smoking caboose on the upper left that you see here, and that's one of the cabooses I'd like to have. And then with the work train, you've got the work caboose at the end of that one on the lower set. So here they do price out the sets. So the bottom set runs $100, and the upper set runs $89.95. And then we'll take a look at the 1959 catalog. So they have just one set that they show here. They kind of switched over to the military items. So you've got the rocket launcher, you've got the helicopter card, a lot of unique new for that year rolling stock. So another beautiful set, $100 for the set. And like I said, I could not find it in the 1960 catalog. All right, so let's go ahead and put this train into operation. I got it matched up with some of the aluminum 2500 series cars. This is also Lionel's first engine with liquid smoke, as opposed to dropping in the little pills or the snuff pellets. This one does smoke. This is Al, and thank you very much for watching.